Mia made $6,200 in her fourth month from her online business. And in this video, I'm going to break down her exact strategy so you can do the same as a complete beginner with zero investment. The business model we're talking about is short-form content creation. But instead of putting yourself on camera, we're going to be using AI tools to do all of the hard work. Let me show you how it's done step by step. Step 1. Pick your niche. The best type of niche is one that makes people feel emotions. They're way more likely to watch your videos if they feel a connection, and they're likely to be loyal followers. A niche that I've seen working time and time again is feel-good, motivational content that people love to watch, share, and engage with. Think things like, "You're doing better than you think," or "This is your sign to keep going." People eat this up because it's relatable. Life is tough, and everyone could use a little extra encouragement. It's emotional, it's shareable, and best of all, it's profitable. First, you need to decide what kind of motivational content you want to create. Don't just go with general inspiration. That's way too broad. Narrow it down to something specific. For example, you could focus on affirmations for students, self-confidence for women, or daily positivity for burnout recovery. Picking a niche helps you stand out, and it makes it easier to connect with people who really need your content. Here's a tip. Pick something that either you've been through or care about. If you've struggled with self-doubt, create content about overcoming that. You'll naturally know what to say, and your audience will feel that authenticity. Step 2. Write your message. The first thing you want to do is come up with the script for your video. To do this, use ChatGPT. Just type in a prompt like this. Write a short, uplifting message for someone who feels like giving up. Make it relatable and easy to understand. ChatGPT will give you a message that I recommend tweaking to make it more human and natural. Keep the message short and sweet. You want it to be something people can read or hear in less than 15 seconds. That's the sweet spot for short-form content like this. Step 3. Turn your message into a voiceover. A voiceover adds a personal touch, and if you pick a good voice, it can really make the message tug at people's heartstrings. Even if you don't want to use your own voice, AI can make it sound like someone speaking directly to the viewer. People connect more with spoken words than just text on a screen. This is where 11 Labs comes in. Go to their site, make a free account, and find the text-to-speech section. Paste your message into the text box, then pick a voice. Choose one that matches the style of your content. It could be deep and sad, or soft and inspiring. Once you've chosen a voice, hit Generate and download the voiceover. Step 4. Make some visuals. Visuals are everything on social media. You could post the most life-changing advice ever, but if the background looks like it was made in 1999, no one's paying attention. High-quality images make you look professional, even if you're just starting out. For this, we're going to use Leonardo AI to create custom images that'll stop people mid-scroll. Go to Leonardo AI's website and make a free account. Once you're in, you'll be able to type in text here to generate an image. Type something like, "A glowing sunrise over a mountain range, soft pastel colors, calm and peaceful atmosphere." These kinds of images are perfect for motivational content because they're calming and visually striking. Of course, make sure it's relevant to your message. Hit Generate, and the AI will give you a few options to pick from and download. Step 5. Put it all together in Canva. Alright, you've got your visuals and your audio. Now it's time to make your video. Canva is perfect for this. Go to Canva, create a free account if you don't have one, and start a new video project. Choose a vertical format since you're making content for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Upload your AI-generated image first. Drag it into the timeline, then add your audio file. Make sure the image matches the length of the voiceover. It's super easy, just click and drag to adjust. Next, add some text to the video. Type out your motivational message and place it in the center of the screen. Use a clean modern font like Montserrat, and make sure the text is big enough to read on a small screen. Add a little animation to make it pop. Canva has plenty of free options, like fade-ins or slide-ins. Export the video in high quality and you're done. That's your first piece of content ready to post. Step 6. Upload and optimize. Now it's time to share your video with the world. The great thing about making short-form vertical videos like this is that you can actually upload them on multiple platforms: TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Just upload your video to each platform and add motivating music in-app. Then write a short caption, like "Who needed to hear this today?" Finally, add hashtags like motivation, affirmations, and stay strong before uploading. Step 7. Build your audience and monetize. As your content starts getting views, people will follow you for more. Once you've built a small audience, you can start monetizing in a few ways. Firstly, you can get paid by the TikTok Creativity Program and YouTube directly once you meet their eligibility requirements. Once you hit 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, or 3 million shorts views, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. This is where the money really starts flowing. You'll earn a share of the ad revenue from your videos. Ads on shorts don't pay as much as traditional YouTube videos, but the more views you get, the more it adds up. Think of it as a snowball effect. One viral video can bring in steady income for months. And once you hit 10,000 followers and get at least 100,000 views on your videos in the last 30 days, you can apply for the TikTok Creativity Program. TikTok pays based on video engagement and views. It's a better version of the old Creator Fund, so if you're posting consistently and your content resonates, you can make a decent amount of money. This is the ideal scenario, but realistically, this could take you a long time unless you can go viral. It's very possible to go viral, but to keep your bases covered and get you making money sooner, here are some more options. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest monetization methods. Sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates and recommend products that match your niche. For example, if your videos are about self-love, link to journals or books that help with that. When people buy through your link, you earn a commission. You can also sell your own digital products, like printable affirmation cards or self-help guides. Canva is great for designing these. Upload them to a platform like Etsy or Gumroad and promote them in your videos. As your page grows, brands might reach out for sponsorships. Wellness and self-care companies love partnering with creators who have an engaged audience, and this is where you can start charging hundreds or even thousands per post or video. But just remember, throughout that consistency is everything. Post at least once a day on each platform. If that sounds overwhelming, batch your content. Spend a few hours on the weekend creating 5 to 7 videos, and schedule them throughout the week. Here's a quick recap of what we've covered today. Pick a niche that's emotionally engaging, like motivational content. Use ChatGPT for your messages, 11 Labs for voiceovers, and Leonardo AI to create visuals. Put everything together in Canva and aim to post daily on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Monetize through affiliate links, digital products, and sponsorships, and watch your audience and income grow. This process is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and totally scalable. The only thing standing between you and your first dollar is getting started. Have you tried making content before? Will you be giving this a go? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.